In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 403 forbidden error on Firefox. So you are trying to open a page, and instead of the website, you get a white or mostly blank screen with the words 403 forbidden or access denied. Firefox might still show the site address in the address bar, and maybe even a small icon for the site, but nothing useful loads. That means Firefox tried to reach the server, but the server decided not to show you the content. Often this is temporary or caused by cached data, which is exactly what we are going to deal with now. First, refresh the page. Move your pointer anywhere over the page content area, not the address bar. Then press the Control key and the F5 key together on your keyboard to perform a hard refresh. A hard refresh tells Firefox to skip its stored copy of the page and ask the website for fresh files again. On screen, you will see the tab icon spin for a moment, and the loading bar appear near the top of the window as the page reloads. Watch the main content area. If the problem was caused by an outdated cached file or a temporary glitch, the 403 message will disappear and the normal page layout should appear again, with images, text, and navigation links. When this happens, you can continue browsing and no extra steps are needed. If the hard refresh still leaves you on a 403 forbidden page, stay calm. That just means the cached copy was not the only factor here. Next, close Firefox completely. Click the X button at the top right of the Firefox window on Windows, or the Close button at the top left on a Mac. Make sure all Firefox windows are closed, not just minimized, so the browser actually shuts down. A common beginner mistake is to leave another Firefox window open behind another app, which keeps the browser running with all its current data. Once Firefox is fully closed, reopen Firefox from your usual shortcut or app list. When Firefox opens again, you will see your start page, maybe the default Firefox homepage with a search box or whatever you set before. From here, type or paste the same website address you were using into the address bar at the top, then press Enter to load it. Firefox now starts a fresh connection for that site in a new session. If the earlier problem was tied to a stuck process or a temporary issue held in memory, you should now see the website load normally, with the full page design and no 403 forbidden error. At this point, you have tried both a hard refresh and a full restart of Firefox to clear common causes of a 403 forbidden error on that page. You have now used a hard refresh and a clean Firefox restart to fix a stubborn 403 forbidden error. If this walkthrough helped you get that page working again, please give the video a quick thumbs up to help others find it, and consider subscribing for more clear browser fix guides.